Hello. I'm heading out to get my nails done. This one broke, and I'm gonna do something really fun and funky, and I'm hungry. So it's Friday, so I'm gonna head to Starbucks and get my little things and come back home. So one of y'all did say that I need to get a excuse me, I'm backing up to the beeping. Hold on. Excuse my sun jacket in the back. So much going on. So one of you guys did suggest that I do get a mic, and I did get the mic. So once I come back home, I'm gonna be practicing, trying to figure it out, because it seems simple but it's not working. So I have to figure it out and see how I need to make how it works, because what I need to start doing is listening to y'all suggestion, because you're the one that's watching the videos, you're the one that's seen certain things that I missed, and my job and my role in this entire process is to entertain you, inspire you, influence you. So when I come back, I'll figure it out. Hope you guys had an amazing week, and let's see what's gonna be in this video. Let's see. I don't know if I told you guys, Jack's gonna be in spring break at the beginning of April, and we're gonna go to Atlanta for the week. Well, not for the week, for maybe 4 or 5 days. We went there last year and we honestly loved it. We went to that aquarium, and this year I want to go back to the aquarium and also visit that Coca-Cola museum. I want to do that. Love me a good studded vegan burger, so definitely that's on it. And whenever I go somewhere, I have to shop, so I've been kind of saving my coins to get something. I have something in particular in mind that I want to get, so hopefully I'm able to get it. If not, I'm getting something else because I'm shopping. So kind of getting prepared for that, but that's it. I'll see you guys back at the house once I'm finished with my nails. Okay guys, I'm heading out to an event with CB2, and this is what I'm wearing today. I want to be really comfy because I'm also going to do a quick photo shoot with my photographer. So this is the look, and I like it. Very comfy, very different. Off-white tennis shoes because I'll be walking, and that's it. See you guys there. Okay y'all, so I just finished up the event at CB2, did a quick photo shoot as well, and I'm gonna get something to eat and then go home. Okay, so don't know what that's about. It is something, so you have to be able to use your eyes, read the room, and discern your own safety, okay? Because people are weird out here. So I'm gonna get this pizza from this pizza spot called Andes, and then eat, and I'll check in back with y'all later. Hey y'all, this is a few days later. So today is Jackson's birthday, and he asked us for a few things, right? He asked us for what he wants to eat. Was like, do you want to go to his favorite restaurant, or does he want me to make like a seafood board? So he opted for a seafood board, so I just got that. And then these are the things that he loves. He loves playing football, video game, and baseball. So I got this this balloon arrangement for him. And then because he took over our son's room that he just moved out of, he been asking for a desk so we can kind of have the entire bedroom just encapsulate who Jackson is, which is like having his games, his computer and stuff like that. So I just went to At Home and found a desk when I built that for him. And then my husband got him the gift of all gifts, right? Which is a basketball hoop. So JB gonna go get it, and we're gonna have it installed outside. So just want to check in with you guys. We're gonna go ahead and make this. He didn't want no cake or anything like that. So if you can just wish him happy birthday in the comment section, he will love that. So when did it come to a point where these kids just don't want cupcake, ice cream, and move on? This boy had a crazy list, and we slowly marked it up. And then of course we going to Atlanta so we're gonna stay at a beautiful hotel, and we're gonna do a little bit of celebration there too. So it's just celebrating Jackson today and over spring break, because he's been doing an amazing job in school. So I think sometimes when your kids put in the work and show you that they're just doing the right thing, it's okay to celebrate them. So let me get back to making this seafood board. I'll show you guys what it look like, okay? All right, y'all, so it's still Jackson's birthday, and we're in his new room. Here it goes. And we're gonna make an attempt to start putting this desk together. Come on, Dummy, you're gonna help me, right? So this is the picture. The desk is upside down. You say hi, honey?
Hola.
Oh, so turn it there, turn it. Yeah, that way. Okay. I don't think I've ever built anything on my channel before. So
as my mom said, we are going to be putting this desk together.
holy shucks. Hold on, babe. Wait, honey, please. Okay, so take this off here. I'm hoping that the drawers already come attached to it. That'll make it way easier, and all I have to do is do the legs. Here, honey. Here, babe. Oh. Ooh, I think the drawers are already attached. Oh, Jack, we find a screw.
That's not good.
Put those over there. The thing is that it looks like it's only. No, put the screw back, Jack. It looks like all we have to do is put the legs on it, which is great. That's how simple.
That's how
I
simple
need this to be.
she needs this to be.
Dumpling, were you my echo? Let me. Okay. Wait, I got it. You know what? This is what happens when you don't want to wait on your husband to help you. Move the legs and stuff on the other way. No. Just go further down. When I tell you this is not my strength, I don't care how simple something is to build. It's just not my thing, and I get very nervous doing it because it's just not something that I'm good at. It's just not. All right, Jack. So this is the. So there's. Alright guys, I'll be back. Hold on. Okay guys, we did it. Jackson, you want to show them? You want to show them the desk, boo? You want to talk about your desk? I'm gonna have Jackson come. Go ahead, boo. Want to talk about it?
So this is a 40-inch desk, 48-inch desk to be specific. It has 2 drawers.
Ooh.
And I'm going to use it mainly for gaming, YouTube, and homework.
Ready?
So it has 2 ports, 2 charging ports, so I could plug my PC. It's gonna be right here or right there. We don't know yet. We're gonna bring it up. Well, we're gonna bring it up. We don't know when though. So, but you guys will see the finished product.
Okay guys, this is what Jackson wanted for his birthday. Crab legs. Say hi, boo.
Hey, Mom. Hey.
What? Fried sausage, butter. Is this good?
It's
All right.
great.
He's happy. I'm happy. So, let's eat.